Hi guys! Welcome back to Tap for Dummies with me, dummy number 1. So, with a very heavy heart, I'm here to announce that this episode is going to be the last episode of Tap for Dummies. Yeah. I really appreciate you guys who have been here since the very first episode of Tap for Dummies. And by that, I mean I know you, Ian, has been learning and tapping with me through all my videos. So, love you. Today, we're gonna learn 2 moves, Sugars and SUSIE Q. And we're gonna have fun and party too. Hey mama, welcome to the 60s. So let's just start and have fun. And we are back with this book. This book has been amazing. So if you really want to start learning tap, I recommend this book. Alright, so for the last 2 moves that we're gonna learn together, the first one is Sugars. Sugars basically is a twist. So with the weight on both feet, step on the ball of the right foot while the right heel twisted inward and the toes are twisted outward. And with the weight on the ball, stay on the ball, you twist it to the other side. Twist the ball of the foot inward while the heel is twisting outward. So it's basically twist. Yeah. So let's try twist, and let's try the left foot. Twist. Sugars. Sugars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sugars. Sugars, 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 and sugars. Very easy, right? And it's like very cutesy as well. Sugars. With the weight on both feet, step on the ball of the right foot with the right heel twisted inward while the toes are twisted outward. And while the weight stays on the right foot, twist the ball of the foot inward and the heel outward. It's basically twist. Sugars. Twist, twist. Try again. Twist, twist. And the next move that we're going to learn today is called SUSIE Q. SUSIE Q is a stylized move. So how do you do that? Begin with weight on both feet. Stem the right foot across the front of the left foot. And you shift the weight to the right heel while fanning from left to right. And while you do the fanning, you are actually stepping with your left foot. Like this. So it's stem and step, and the twisting, you do it together. So it's SUSIE Q. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have very small space, so that's why it feels a little bit awkward because it's a traveling step. If you have a lot of space, please do it. Alright, don't be afraid of like walking here and there. Let's try it again one more time. Stem, fan, stem, fan. Now let's do the other side. Stem, fan, stem, fan. SUSIE Q. Begin with the weight on both feet. Stem the right foot across the front of the left. Shift the weight to the right heel while fanning the right toe from left to right. So after you stem, fan. And while you fan, you're gonna step your left foot together. So stem and fan. One more time. Stem, fan. Good. Now let's try the other side. Stem, fan. Try again. Stem, fan, stem, fan. Good. Now the other side. Stem, fan, stem, fan. And so we've learned sugars and SUSIE Q. Now let's learn the combination. Okay, so combination 1, we will start with sugars with the twisting. Alright, so we will start slow. So step, twist, step, twist, step, twist 4 times. And fast. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, scuff, step, step. Combination 1, we do sugars. 1, 2, slow. 4 times. And then 6 fast. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, scuff, step, step. Let's try it again from the top. Step, twist, step, twist, step, twist, step, twist. Now fast. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, scuff, step, step. That's combination 1. So moving on to combination 2, we are gonna do SUSIE Q. SUSIE Q, SUSIE Q, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. All right. The other side, SUSIE Q, SUSIE Q, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. We're gonna do this SUSIE Q, shoulder, shoulder, ball change for 3 times. And after that, we will do flap, flap, scuff, step, step. Okay? So let's do it again one more time from the top. SUSIE Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. And the other side, 2, 3, 4, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. And flap, flap, scuff, step, step. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. The other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. One more time. Shoulder, shoulder, ball change. Flap, flap, scuff, step, step. The last combination, combination 3, we're gonna start with sugars 4 times. Hey mama, welcome to the sugar, 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 sugar. SUSIE Q, SUSIE Q, shoulder, shoulder, blah, blah. Yeah, I meant shoulder, shoulder, ball change, all right? So we're gonna do that 4 times. Okay, let's just try it from the top, slowly with me. Hey mama, welcome to the sugars, 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 sugars. SUSIE Q, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. And now the other side. Hey mama, welcome to the doom, pa, boom, boom, pa. And SUSIE Q to the other side. SUSIE Q, SUSIE Q, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. Combination 3, we're gonna start with sugars. 1, 2, 3, 4. SUSIE Q, SUSIE Q, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. And we're gonna do that 4 times. Okay, so the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. SUSIE Q, shoulder, shoulder, ball change. And that's combination 3. Awesome! So we just repeat this for 4 times. And again, this pace is very, very small. And it's gonna be hard for me to like do full out. So if you have space, please do full out, okay? So with this board, I'm just like concentrating. I don't wanna fall. Yeah, so you can do better than that. Awesome, so now let's just try with the music.
People who are different, their time is coming. Hey mama, look around. Everybody's grooving to a brand new sound. Hey mama, follow me. I know something's in you that you wanna set free. So like go with the past now. Say hello to the love in your heart. Yes, I know that the world's spinning fast now. You gotta get yourself a brand new start. Hey mama, welcome to the 60s. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, mama, welcome to the 60s. Oh, 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 oh. Go, mama, go, go, go. Welcome to the 60s. Oh, 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 oh. Hey mama. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey mama, have some fun.
And yep, this is the last episode. And once again, thank you so much for all of you who have been here and who have been accompanying me through my learning journey. And I hope all my videos could teach you 1 or 2 things. Yeah, but most importantly, I hope you have fun with all my videos. It's farewell for now from Tap for Dummies series, but don't worry, I will still be uploading videos on my YouTube channel, but just not Tap for Dummies series anymore. But yeah, I hope you are going to take care of yourself really, really well. and I'll see you again when I see you. Connect with me. You can follow me on Instagram, or you can just leave comments down below. And yeah, stay friends, everybody. That's all for now. Farewell. Bye.